Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 apps that can reward you for watching videos. I'll also share important tips to help you apps and increase your chances of getting paid. The first app is Swagbucks. It allows eligible users to earn points by watching selected videos and completing other simple online activities. Those points can be redeemed for rewards where available. The second app is Inbox Dollars. Depending on your country, you may earn rewards by watching videos and completing simple online tasks. Number 3 is My Points. Besides shopping rewards, eligible users can also earn points through videos and other activities. Number 4 is Cash Kick. Depending on availability in your region, you can earn rewards by completing simple online activities, including watching selected content. Number 5 is Prize Rebel. It offers different ways to earn points, including videos, surveys, and offers for eligible users. Number 6 is Free Cash. It provides different earning opportunities, and some users may find video-related tasks depending on availability. Number 7 is Timebucks. It includes several earning options, and eligible users may receive rewards for watching sponsored videos and completing other tasks. Always check the minimum withdrawal amount before you start. This helps you know how much you need to earn before you can redeem rewards. Different platforms offer different reward methods. Check which options are available in your country before you spend time earning points. Not every app works in every country. Always confirm that your country is supported before creating an account. Now creating an account. These platforms won't make you rich overnight, but they can provide small rewards if you consistently complete eligible tasks. Check the apps every day because new tasks are added regularly, giving you more chances to earn rewards. Complete your profile correctly, because some platforms use that information to match you with available tasks. Many of these platforms also have referral programs where you can earn extra rewards by inviting friends. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to OMA Unfiltered TV for more AI tutorials, smartphone tips, and online money-making ideas. Thanks for watching.